All right, I've got one more. Cat jumped in. Well, remember, we have those 3 kittens, and they're getting big. And so I thought, we can read another, maybe a cat book. This looks kind of like Archie, the one that joined us, not the kitten, but the full-grown cat that just kind of moved in with us. Cat jumped in. Oh, looks like Cat is jumping in right in that picture. It was summer and someone left the window open. Cat jumped in. He slid across a circle of pie dough, licked a puddle of cream, and sniffed something fishy somewhere in the kitchen. What was it? Where was it? Cat snooped around. There. Whoosh! Cat dove in, right into the garbage bin. Down, down, down. He tumbled through gooey eggshells and syrupy waffles. Up, 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 he climbed over apple cores and banana peels. Oh my, what a mess. Tip-tap, pitter-pat came footsteps closer and closer. Cat out. Oops. Cat dashed away. Bet they'll think twice about leaving their window open again. Someone left the closet door open. Cat crept in. He rubbed against heavy winter coats. He climbed over boots and umbrellas. He batted a scarf dangling from a hanger. Then Cat spied a hat on a shelf. A hat with feathers. Cat jumped in. Crack! Down fell the shelf. Down fell Cat. Down fell the hat. Tip-tap, pitter-pat-pat. Footsteps hurried closer and closer. Cat? Out! Oops. Cat raced up the stairs. Someone left the bedroom door open. Cat snuck in. He sniffed pillows and blankets. He stepped over fancy bottles. He pounced on a powder puff. Then Cat stopped and stared. Who? What? Cat. Cat couldn't believe his eyes. A strange cat was staring at him. Cat hissed. Sss. The other cat hissed too. Sss. Oh boy. What is going on there, do you think? I see some jewelry and makeup like it's someone's dressing area. I wonder if that's a mirror. Cat is silly. Cat twitched his tail up and down. The stranger twitched his tail up and down. Cat inched closer, closer. Then he poked the cat with one paw and jumped back. Thwump! Down fell the cat. Down fell bottles and jewelry and powder. Plink, plink, plink. Tip-tap, tip-tap, pitter-pat, pitter-pat. Cat? Out! Oops, oops. Cat rushed off. Looks like Cat is dragging the rug, bunching it all up. Someone left the studio door open. Cat slipped in. Looks like a paint studio. And there's someone painting. He walked across something wet and sticky and stopped for a drink. Then he lifted a front paw and shook it. He lifted a back paw and shook it. He shook his head and his tail and his ears and his belly. He wanted that paint off, off, off. The paint flew on, nearly everywhere. I like how in this picture they're showing the cat shaking by putting the little swirls around it. That's pretty cool because it shows that the cat was moving. Tip tap, pitter pitter pat pat. Oh my goodness. What a mess. Cat out. Oops, cat ran under a table. He scooted back as far as he could. Look at there's feet of the artist trying to catch him. Someone sighed. She drummed her fingers on the table. Then she spied Cat's artwork on the middle of the floor. Little kitty footprints all over. Someone looked at it for a very long time. Slowly, Cat crept out from the shadows. Cautiously, he hurled his tail around someone's ankles. Meow. Here, Cat, someone answered softly. She opened her arms. Cat jumped in. Do you think Cat found a home? I think maybe Cat did, or maybe this was already Cat's home, but Cat was an outside cat like our cats. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. We love you. Bye.